What's up, everybody? I'd just like to present my latest score. Yesterday, my buddy gave me his old stereo setup since he upgraded to a 5.1 home theater. Now, this stereo did work when he gave it to me, but when on a cold start, when it's cold, it would take a few minutes for the sound to come in, but it was extremely distorted till it warmed up. So what I ended up doing, I cleaned all the controls. I cleaned the bass, treble, balance, volume. Then there's an impedance switch in the back. There's the board for it. I cleaned that out too, and the inside was completely filthy. So I took my air compressor to it, and I found down here somebody spilled cola in there, so I cleaned that up too. But the main problem was, you see these big old transistors under the board? The solder came loose on a lot of them. I mean, this guy played it so hard that it heated up enough for the rosin to bubble up and cause a bad connection. So I reflowed all the solder to all the transistors, and again gave it a good clean. Also with the amp, he gave me this pretty badass equalizer. Let's see how many bands this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 band equalizer. But it has a reading of 30 bands. And the EQ was working when he gave it to me, but I sprayed the little microphone knob there, and I sprayed the jog dial, and I cleaned the display behind it because originally it was really foggy. Now it's really clear. This amplifier, Kenwood claims it to be 120 watts per channel, but the freaking transformer in here is about almost twice the size of my Pioneer. Same with my transistors, and my Pioneer, which is 150 watts per channel, is around the same era. So, you know, I think Kenwood was a little conservative about the power output rating. And also, I like to point this out. They did a pretty damn good job with the power supply section. Right there, that big heatsink, that's for the 14-volt regulator. And right here, there's two rectifiers. I think this is the main one right here with the big old heatsink. And there's one on the power side. Also, this thing's got like 6 fuses. Another cool thing about this, I'm going to try to do some DXing with it because it's actually an international model. There's a switch on the back where I could switch from the European or the North American broadcast system. So probably when it gets dark, I'm going to look for a loop antenna and a long piece of wire. Alright, enough of me talking. Let's hear how this thing sounds. My source will be my MP3 player. Let's find a good song. And to test it, I got a cheap pair of Kenwood 6x9s. But eventually, when I clean my room up and finish testing this, I'm going to hook my Serwin Vegas and Pioneers to it. And the bass is up all the way. These speakers really never had any bass. Oh man, this thing's gonna fucking sound awesome on my Serwin Vegas. Well, at the end of the video, I'm also gonna post pictures I took as I was taking it apart. There's 3 of them: the before the cleaning, after cleaning, and a detailed picture of the transistors. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.